Halloween, everyone. So we're going to be using some face paints today, some paint brushes. We're going to use this primer here just to fill in our pores because this face paint does show your pores quite a bit. Then we're going to use a black eyeliner pencil just to mark out where we want everything to go. First, I'm starting out around the back of the cheekbones and just kind of creating an outline, and then I'm going to create a jaw and kind of where the hollowness of the jaw would be. Then I'm going to go up into my temples and following that kind of curvature. And I used a picture for reference. I also went around my eyes and did my nose. Now we're just going to use an eye primer and a black. Any black will work. I'm just going to put this all over my eyes, and I'm not using black face paint because I feel like that is way more dangerous than obviously just putting black eyeshadow. And this is what the end looks like. Now I was choosing between the purple or this aqua to go all over my face for the base. Now I'm just going to use these Royal Lane knuckle brushes. They're like flat paddle brushes, and I'm just going to put this all around my eyes and kind of where I sculpted out. Like there's some areas that are going to be filled in with black and some that are going to be filled in with other things. So I'm just getting very small and precise. I'm using different kind of rectangular or square brushes just to make sure everything is nice and clean and crisp. Now going around the nose, I was just leaving some spaces because if I had to put my glasses on again, obviously. And also around my mouth, I was going to eat lunch, so I didn't want to put any face paint there yet. And also I didn't know how to do the teeth at that moment, but now I'm just going to add in some black with a more pointy kind of skinny brush, and this is going to go in the hollows, just kind of hollow out my face a bit and add some shadow. Using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to take some fluorescent pinks, and this is going to be where the neon part comes in, kind of like a neon sign. You're going to put down the pink shadow all around where you put the lines. So anything that you outlined is going to be outlined in like a neon kind of thing. So put that down with a pencil brush. And then here what the end looks like. So everything is outlined in the pink. And then the next step will be to use this white. This is a Body Shop lightening kind of foundation drops. And if you have a better white in your collection, go ahead. And if you have like a white liner, like liquid liner, that would work even better. You want something skinny because you want the white to be very skinny, kind of give that neon effect. But you want to put white on top of the pink and then put some pink around the outsides of that again to like look like it's glowing. And then this is what the end result looks like. You want to do that with a really skinny brush. Then I'm just going to draw some teeth with black in the palette and a very small brush. And so I'm just making teeth like kind of like a raindrop kind of thing. You can make them even more precise if you wanted to, but I was 3 hours in and I kind of wanted to get it over with. So I just hurried up and made some teeth. And so I'm putting that all the way back into that kind of hollowness of the jaw and making them on top and bottom of my lip and just all the way back. And you can make less teeth if you wanted to, but I decided to make a full row and then copy it on the other side, and this is what it should look like. And then I'm just going to fill in the gaps with the aqua color just to make sure my base color is in there as well, because you don't want to have your skin color showing. So I was just filling in where the kind of hollowness was of my jaw. I'm putting some aqua in there, but not too much because we're going to be putting some black in there as well. So here I am shading my hollowness of my jaw, and I'm just adding some black in with a skinny brush and just kind of adding like a shadow kind of detail. I could have made this more blended into the teeth and kind of covering up the teeth, but I couldn't really see back there because it's kind of hard with a small mirror. But now I'm filling in the teeth with an aqua color, and then I'm just doing that to all of them with a very small brush. And then I'll go around the outsides with the purple shadow and then the white over top, so the outline has a neon effect to it, so all the teeth have a neon glow to them as well. And so yeah, that's pretty much the final look. So there you go, you have a neon skull, and obviously all of these colors can be exchanged for anything you want. You want the base color and the outlining color to be two different ones, so then it really pops and stands out. I should have added more like shadow detail, but I really wanted this to be kind of a graphic neon skull look, and it was pretty easy to do. It took a while, but it wasn't too intricate and complicated at all. And I hope you guys have a happy Halloween, and please subscribe down below and check out my full playlist of Halloween looks if you want to see more of mine. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!